Auto parts and accessories manufacturing is a highly competitive industry that requires precision, quality control, efficient supply chain management, and faster delivery. From component manufacturing to aftermarket distribution, businesses need complete visibility and control over every process to meet customer expectations and maintain profitability. PMTechERP is a powerful ERP solution designed to streamline and optimize automotive parts and accessories operations. With PMTechERP, manufacturers and suppliers can manage the complete business lifecycle through one integrated platform. From raw material procurement and supplier management to production planning, inventory control, quality inspection, sales, and dispatch, every process is connected for smooth and efficient operations. Manage complex product structures with multi-level bills of materials, track component requirements, and plan production accurately based on demand. Real-time inventory management provides complete visibility of raw materials, work in progress, finished goods, and spare parts, helping reduce stock shortages.